Value stream management has been around for a long time, over 100 years. It has widespread adoption in the manufacturing world. However, it's new to the digital world, but awareness of its significant benefits is growing every day. Value stream management, or VSM, is different than Agile frameworks, which focus on just one portion of work that needs to be completed to deliver value in a digital product. VSM is about end-to-end flow, going from ideation, the customer or stakeholder request, through the release of consumable value. In this workshop, you'll learn modern techniques for investment decisions in portfolio management, product management, and product ownership. You'll learn how to identify the smallest quantity of work that can provide a customer with consumable value. This is known as a minimum value increment, or MVI, and it is a significant enabler of moving towards achieving business agility. We show how to develop a portfolio backlog with MVIs, how to use relative sizing and value scoring as inputs to prioritization. The top prioritized portfolio items move into the discovery workflow. This is where the increment scope and value are further refined and understood. This is the product management space. These are just a few examples of what you'll learn, the tip of the iceberg, so to speak. This workshop has been primarily developed for product managers, portfolio managers, and product owners. However, it is also for anyone, program managers, stakeholders, operational managers, Agile coaches, and others that are seeking to understand value stream management principles, practices, and techniques. The design is based on providing guidance that is a theory, a comprehensive end-to-end set of examples, and practical exercises to put that theory into action. Join me in this workshop and learn how to uncork the flow of value your stream is capable of.